yesterday, they linger on in endless pain. Months and years of tears and cries, broken homes and shattered lives. Every nation feels the weight of fear of loss, of growing hate. From the young to those grown old, stories of sorrow left untold. In times like this we need to see what kind of world we want to be. Before it's too late, let's choose to care. Build understanding everywhere. Hold on to love, let go of greed. Help each other in every need. Plant the seed so life can grow. Food and hope the world will know. Unity is